friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaviarkezzy. I hope you're all doing well. I'm doing amazing because I don't have a wig stuck to my head and I installed it. I can decide whether or not I want to leave this wig on, and guess what, honey? It's not going nowhere. Let's jump into today's install and review, shall we? Let's give a warm welcome back to today's hair sponsor, Ashimary. As you can probably tell from the robe, if you know, you know. We collaborate a lot because they have some beautiful wigs. You're here, I'm here, let's jump into it. This is the perfect time for me to wear bobs. I've been on my fitness journey over on TikTok. Follow me there, I'm gonna link it in the description box. But if you guys notice my face is looking a little slimmer and I'm looking a little trimmer, it's because I'm on my fitness journey and I love wearing bob wigs when my face is slimmed down. So I'm here for this wig and this install. Today what I have installed is a 14-inch 6x5 pre-everything glueless closure wig. This is a black and brown highlight wig in the texture Yaki straight. It looks like 4C hair pressed out with a silk press. The 14-inch bob is giving. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like fresh out of the box because that's what we do over here. Okay, this is what she's giving. I'm going to spray some lace tint on her. This is the one that I'm using. And I'm going to adjust the strap because I'm going to be wearing this wig 100% glueless. Okay, secure the comb. Right off the bat, I can tell that this wig is very comfortable to wear. Glueless install, okay? But we are still going to make sure that the wig is laying nicely. It does come with the tapes, as I mentioned, but I don't think you need it. It's laying so flat. Slight bit of baby hairs. Powerful sex appeal, but we play it cool. Touch. That's giving realistic. That's giving that's her hair. That's giving no one's gonna know it's not a frontal. I'm gonna curl this hair though. I'm gonna curl the baby hairs. I'm gonna curl under today. Try not to burn myself. No guarantees. Then go in and mold. No one can tell me that that's not my hair. That's my hair. Okay, baby? That's my hair. Remember, less is more. Let me show you what she looks like straight. Okay, let's curl this side first, and then I'm gonna do like a comparison so you guys can see what she looks like. I'm gonna start in the middle of my curl, my hair, and then as I rotate, I'm pulling it down till we get to the end. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. And pull slowly till you get to the end and then roll up. I just do it that way. It's just easiest for me. Pull it under. So cute, oh my goodness. Then let go. This is the curled version versus the straight. Ooh, this is cute, y'all. Okay, so that's curled versus straight. Which side do you prefer? Let me know. Comment in the comment section right now which side you prefer, curled or straight. Hold it there. And then hold it there. this is the final look. It's very easy, beginner friendly, super bouncy, thick. The highlights are peeking through ever so slightly. It is like even black and brown. It's really pretty. I do like that the roots has the black and then the brown highlights. It's gorgeous, you guys. This will be a beautiful wig for the fall. I would suggest go checking them out if this is something that you might be interested in, because baby, look, when you're done with her, you just take her off. No glue needed, you guys. It fits really nicely. Glueless, lays very flat. A big body closure wig. Yeah, this is a grown and sexy wig. This is a I'm just trying to look cute effortlessly wig. Wow, gorgeous. Check her out. Even though it is like a yaki texture, you might think it is dry and frizzy, but no, girl. I would have loved for it to hold a little bit of a better curl, but without me cutting layers into it, that is to be expected. But guys, let me know what you guys think on this wig and this install. Is this something that you want to try at home? If so, I'm gonna link it in the description box for you, so don't forget to check that out before you go. I gotta run, guys. I'll catch you later in another video real soon.